Welcome to CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate 2D drawings from your 3D models in SOLIDWORKS, whether they are parts or assemblies. Creating drawings manually for dozens or even hundreds of files can become repetitive very quickly, especially in workflows where SOLIDWORKS PDM is not available. Fortunately, SOLIDWORKS includes a tool that can help automate a large part of this process. In this tutorial, we'll prepare a drawing template with predefined views, configure the task scheduler, and automatically generate drawing files and BATs. Before we begin, we first need a proper drawing template. For this example, I created a minimal template so we can focus only on the important settings. As you can see, this is a custom drawing template with its own title block, logo, and seat properties. To automate drawing creation successfully, the drawing sheet must contain what SOLIDWORKS calls predefined views. Predefined views allow us to define the orientation, position, scale, and even display settings of views before the model is inserted into the drawing. For this first sheet, I'll create an isometric predefined view and define some properties such as the scale and display style. As you can see, the predefined view already appears in the Feature Manager design tree. Now let's create two more sheets inside the same template to explore additional examples. For the second sheet, I'll place a front predefined view. Then, I'll use the projected view command to automatically create the side and top views. Finally, let's create one more sheet specifically for sheet metal components. Here, I'll insert a predefined flat pattern view. Once the flat pattern orientation is selected, additional options become available in the view properties, including bend lines and bend nodes, which are already enabled for this view. Once you are satisfied with your template and predefined views, save the file. One important detail here, drawing templates are not saved as SLD-DRW files. The correct template format is DRW. Save the template somewhere accessible, ideally in your templates directory. Next, open the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler from Windows. The Task Scheduler is a standalone SOLIDWORKS utility that allows you to automate and schedule repetitive operations such as file conversions, exports, rebuilds, and drawing generation. For this tutorial, we'll use the Create Drawings task. Select the task from the left panel and the setup window will appear. You can rename the task if you want, but I leave the default name for now. I will click the Browse button and select the drawing template I created earlier. Notice that SOLIDWORKS clearly states that the template must contain predefined views. Without them, the automatic drawing generation will not work correctly. You can create drawings either for individual files or for all supported files inside a folder. However, you cannot combine files and folders within the same task. For this example, I'll generate drawings only for part files. Next, define when the task should run. You can execute it once or schedule it daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also define the exact date and time. You can choose where the generated drawings will be saved. You can either save them in the same location as the original files or choose a separate output folder by selecting this folder and browsing to a custom directory. Once you click Finish, the task appears in the list and waits for the scheduled execution time. When the task starts, SOLIDWORKS launches automatically in the background and begins generating the drawing files. The progress column and the status bar below show the current progress of the operation. Because of this, the computer running the task must remain powered on during execution. One more useful tip before we continue. If you want SOLIDWORKS to stay less intrusive during execution, open the advanced settings of the task and enable Run Minimized. You'll also find several additional options here. After a few moments, the process completes successfully. You can expand the completed task using the plus icon to see detailed information for each generated drawing and its status. Additionally, clicking on the completed task opens a browser report with a summary of the operation. Now let's return to Windows Explorer and check the results. As you can see, drawings were created automatically for every part file inside the selected folder. Let's open one of them. On the first sheet, the isometric view appears exactly as defined in the Predefined View settings, including the display style and scale. You can also notice the model properties were automatically transferred into the title block. Of course, this requires the original models to already contain the appropriate custom properties. On the second sheet, we have the standard orthographic views generated from the predefined front view. This particular model is not a sheet metal component, so naturally we can ignore or delete this sheet. However, I also prepared a separate template for sheet metal parts to demonstrate how a flat pattern could look. In this case, the drawing automatically includes the flattened model along with bend information. From this point, we can continue refining the drawing by adding dimensions, annotations, adjusting scales, or including additional manufacturing information. The real strength of this workflow is not just speed but consistency. When your templates, sheet formats, and document properties are properly prepared, the Task Scheduler can generate a large number of standardized drawings with very little manual effort. Personally, I think it works best when different template strategies are used for different design scenarios. For example, we could have one template for standard mechanical parts, another for assemblies with predefined BOM templates, a dedicated sheet metal template with bend notes or bend tables, or even a weldment template containing cut lists and welding information. The more thoughtfully your templates are prepared, the more value you get from the automation itself. So instead of treating drawing generation as a repetitive task, think of it as a process that can be standardized and optimized around your specific workflow. And that was one way to automatically generate multiple drawings using the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.